Hello. In this experiment, we are going to explore surface tension. So come check this out. We need only two things here. We need water and we need some paper. This paper has nothing. It is plain paper. This paper has soap on it. Let's see what happens when we displace the paper in the tray. First, let's look at plain paper. And now watch what happens as I place some drops around the paper. Without soap, the paper floats on top and does not move. But the soap changes the surface tension. That's why the paper moves. On our other sample, the soap is already on the paper, so we don't need to add soap. The surface tension has already changed, and it also explains why a lot of pieces of paper have already sunk to the bottom. Nice job today, guys. Good job, and see you next time. Goodbye.